Yeah, it is the first time. Thanks for the invitation. Oh, it is. It was a surprise, and I'm really happy to be part of this event and to be invited for sure. So for me, it's a great opportunity to meet all of these different journalists that I'm not used to, like really different, like from other business, and so yeah, it's a good opportunity. I started surfing at 11 years old and doing like just going to the ocean because of the nature, because of we was cheering with my family, like the time in the water, and just having fun. And then I started competing, and I started to push my limit in the wave that I was scared when I was young, and then I push it, and now I'm surfing like big waves and as well. So and I've got I'm still a professional surfer, and I've got two big goals like for 2 years with surfing going to the Olympics. I want to join this movement for sure, and as well the big waves that I'm staying at Nazaré, where the big wave everything is there is in Portugal. All the big wave are over there, so I stay there for training. And yeah, like surfing is more than a sport; it's a lifestyle. Like a lot of people say that, but yeah, it is true. It is. We've got all the thing around being respectful with the nature, and just being out there, being in the nature, in the ocean, and sharing with people, and yeah, just the lifestyle is amazing, and it is the thing that I really love about surfing for sure. Not just being in the ocean with the wave, but like taking part of everything. And then we will have the swimming pool now with it will be a different kind of surfing, but it is just a different discipline as I do longboard, big wave, shortboard. It's different discipline in one sport. So the surfing in swimming pool will be just a different discipline, and I think it's a good thing as well to put surfing in the city and to get out of the people from the sea who live from close to the sea, but they everybody will be able to surf everywhere, and it will for sure improve the level of surfing and the involvement of people from everywhere. So yeah, I think it's why the swimming pool it's really wave pool. Sorry, wave pool are a really good alternative because you still can see the surf, but in the city, and you can just push a button and have the wave, and the wave is similar for everybody as well. So it's fair for the competitor as well. So I like this point, and for training it's amazing because you will be able to improve, and the level of surfing will go higher. So the show will be better. And yes, I think it is just like the beginning about surfing, like going to the Olympics and everything. And yeah, I think we will see more and more for sure. Yeah, I tried it, and it is really different. It is like a different discipline, but it is so good for the training for sure, and even for people who. Living in the city, they have like a first approach of surfing. They can stand up on the board at the first session, and then they for sure they will want to go to the ocean to get the feeling of the ocean as well. So it's I think it's really good balance and really good thing. For sure, it will improve the level of surfing and the material and everything, but and even the mental preparation, a lot of points will be really amazing because we'll have to work on different points. So I think it's really great for the sport for sure, and then maybe it will be different people. Once maybe the Olympic champion will be from the I don't know from countries where there is no waves, no oceans at least. So yeah, it will be just interesting. Yeah, more people involved in this sport, and you never know what the future will bring. Like it will be different. And